In this video, we're going to take a quick look at how we go about adding issues to the GitHub issue tracker. Whenever there's a particular issue that you want to document, just simply follow these steps and we'll have all the information that we really need to understand how to fix the issue. So in this example, we've got a button that is, it doesn't look right. It's a little too tall. It needs to be shorter. So if I wanted to document this as an issue, I would do this. I would just simply copy the URL where the issue occurs. Maybe in this instance, for example, it may show up on a lot of pages, but that's okay. Just give us a page where you're seeing it. And what we'll do is we'll come into our GitHub issue tracker. We're in issues. We'll just simply click new issue. And then we'll paste in here button size and header incorrect. Whatever you want to do, just as far as the title, just as long as it's descriptive where we understand what the issue is. And I would do something like this. What we want to do is document the page where it's happening, the URL, specifically to that, a screenshot of the issue, and I'll show you a few examples of some screenshot tools that are available, and then just a short write-up explaining what's wrong. So in this example, I'll document the URL. So I would say on this page, and I like to typically kind of create a a line item, or rather a bulleted list. I don't know. It's just the way I like to keep it kind of clean. I just say on this page, the button at the top of the page is too tall. And then I say, see screenshot. And again, every situation is different. You might explain like, hey, this is the issue or that's the issue. As long as it's very descriptive, we understand how to fix the issue. So let's go back to the page here. Now, there's a lot of tools on the market you can do screenshots with. One that's free is called TechSmith Jing, and I think you can just go and download a free copy of that. So as you can see on my screen here, I'm just going to take a screenshot, and I'll click on the capture image, and then I will point to the issue. Then there's a simple upload option, and typically when you upload it, you can see here, hopefully this is showing, it will upload, and then you can paste the URL in here. And then I'll just paste a link to that. Then just assign it to me. Typically, if it goes to me, I'll take a look, make sure everything's clear, and then I'll assign it to a developer. And normally we'll tag it like a bug or something like that. I think we usually use a label needs attention, but bug will work fine. And then go ahead and click submit new issue. At that point, it will be in our queue. I'll get the alert. I'll go and take a look, make sure the clarification is clear. If it's not, I'll ask you for a little more information. Once it's clear, I'll then pass it over to the team. Hopefully this makes sense. If you have any questions, let us know.